Hey, what's going on, guys? Mark here with another video. Today I want to do a portfolio update as well as take a dive into Tesla, the overall market, and kind of just what my positions are looking like today. Today is Tuesday. It is 4:55 a.m. and the portfolio is looking mighty fine, guys. We've had a massive run up because of Tesla, and we're getting pretty lucky here. I don't know if you want to call it luck, but there's definitely always some luck involved in investing, whether or not you have massive run-ups or if you, it's like kind of like educated guessing, I guess, in a weird kind of way. You can do your research to the best of your knowledge and the best of your ability, but you never really know unless you really, really know who is the CEO and who is running each of these companies that you believe in. And if you believe in that person that is running that company, then I think that that's a good qualification of whether or not you should invest in a company. That's my personal opinion on how I take steps into investing into companies and that I believe in. But yeah, so let's look at this. So yesterday was insanely green. Let's look at the overall week. So the past week we're up 6.69%, or $3,164, and the overall portfolio is sitting at $50,485, and we're kind of wavering back and forth. I'm really curious to see what happens today with Tesla because, in the after hours and overnight, we've had a massive run up. But in the past month, we're up a nice $9,900, 24.43% in the past month, which is fantastic. The past 3 months, guys, I'm loving this past 3 months chart because for a while now, if you've been watching my videos, you remember that the 3 month chart wasn't looking that good because of since September. But as each day goes further and further on, and we get further away from September, the 3 month chart starts to look better and better. But in the 3 month chart, we're up $14,673, a nice 40.98%, which is fantastic. Past year, guys, this is where it starts getting crazy. We're up $20,499, 68.36%, and overall we're up 66.22%, or $20,112, which is really, really great, guys. We're at the all-time high in the portfolio, which is fantastic, and we're just on our way up from here. I think that I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging into my positions, and if we have a hefty dip, which the stock market, there's always a hefty dip every once in a while. Stocks can't go up forever, and stocks can't go down forever. Well, sometimes. But yeah, let's take a look in the positions. So Tesla is carrying hard, guys. It's carrying hard. We're sitting at 43.89 shares. Over the past day, we're up 7.13% and up 3.47% in the after hours. That's just crazy. I think we're finally starting to get some of the Fomo. People are realizing, okay, well, Tesla didn't top out, and people are going to continue throwing money into this because of the S&P 500 inclusion. And, it's not all hype. It's this company is doing really innovative and great things, and I think that coupled with the hype and Elon Musk and the marketing team of Tesla's ability to constantly be pushing the hype train, I think it's a perfect storm, and I think we're on our way up. Guys, in the past week, we're up $66, or 11.12%. That's insane. That's insane. I love to see it. In the past month, we're up 51%, or $224. Still incredibly insane. That's more crazy than the past week, honestly, in my opinion. But in the past 3 months, we're up $308, 86.52%. I remember, back in March when the pandemic was happening, that we had a massive tank and we got a crazy run-up. I think it was something, let's look at these charts. I think, where was it? Probably, yeah, we had a crazy run-up, and I remember we got to, at the end of the summer, okay, well, Tesla topped out. Well, we were really wrong on there, weren't we? Then we had the Tesla stock split, and it's great news, guys. We're finally finishing off here with the S&P Tesla getting added to the S&P 500. And I say finishing off, but there could be plenty more great news with Tesla. I don't think that Tesla is going away, guys. It's so interesting how some of these analysis are saying it's a bubble, blah 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 blah. There's so much more to it. There's so much more to this company that that meets the eye. I mean, it's not just an automotive company, and that's what a lot of people just write it off as. And when the price starts going up and it starts getting in the news more and more, and these analysts are getting more and more wrong, people are going to start paying more attention, and it might be too late for them to put money in. But but after I say that, I also keep in mind I'm dollar cost averaging in every week. I'm continuing to buy $25 into Tesla every single week because I believe in it long term. I think that this is just a stock that's going to continue to grow over time. I really believe that. But yeah, I mean, looking at this year chart, we're up $596 or 886%. It's so crazy, guys. And I always like looking at the 5-year because it's just insane. It's just insane. And, I would not be surprised. On one of my previous videos, I talked about how my price target was $720 per share for Tesla. At this rate, I wouldn't be surprised if we might even get to like a $1,000 a share here in the next couple of years. I know every time I say my prediction in the next couple of years, somehow we manage to make it happen before even the end of the year. I mean, it's insane. We're just constantly making these new all-time highs, and it's just incredible. It's just incredible, guys. I mean, my average cost right now is $302 into Tesla, and I've already doubled my money. It's just insane, guys. I love this company, and Elon Musk knows what he's doing. It's exciting. But other than that, I'm also increasing my size into my position size into Square, which I'm really excited about. I would like to continue doing that because I believe in this company as well. It's kind of has the same. There's similarities between Square and Tesla in the disruptive factor, and that's what I really like to look for because I mean, you can look at my portfolio, you see that I'm also in some of these other stocks, or some people would call them like boomer stocks, like Apple and Microsoft and Amazon, but those are kind of like my safe havens, if you will. And it's funny because my biggest loss so far is in one of my safe havens, into Amazon. We're down $721, and we only have 2.29 shares, but I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging into this as well. I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll see how much room Amazon has to go up. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is that I really like to look for disruptive stocks that I think there's a lot of room to grow. And whether that be in a short period of time or a long period of time, it doesn't quite matter to me as long as I really believe that they are going to be successful in disrupting the industry that their company is in, and they'll be successful with it. I mean, there's a good chance that you're playing with more risk when you're looking into these disruptive stocks, but if you believe in the people that are running it and you know about them, then that's how I kind of waver away from being, like, in my mind, thinking that there's too much risk behind it. But yeah, is Bitcoin down a little bit today? What are we at? We're down about 2.56%. That is literally nothing in terms of Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin's volatility is incredible, but Bitcoin, if you guys want to watch my video on Bitcoin, I made a video yesterday on Bitcoin and my holdings and my overall opinions on cryptocurrency. If you'd like to look at that, just click on my channel, subscribe, and check that video out as well. I also want to say, if you're still around right now, guys, please give me a big like. It helps me out so much in pushing my videos. And I want to continue making videos for you guys, and I just want to make better and better content, and hopefully be able to give some knowledge and just show you guys what I'm doing with my portfolios and whatnot. Maybe I'll start making videos on my cryptocurrency portfolios. If you'd like that, give me a like and a comment below if you want to see that. But, guys, this isn't financial advice. This is just my personal opinion, and I just like to give you guys my 2 cents, and maybe you can learn something from it. But thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.